You have a dream of transforming your home into a place of beauty, comfort, and joy. You have a vision of how you want your home to look, feel, and function. You have a plan to hire a contractor who can make your dream and vision come to life. But before you sign that contract, there is something you need to know that could make all the difference between happiness and regret. The contractor you hire could make or break your project, creating a nightmare of wasted time, money, energy, and loss in your home's value. Don't be fooled by low contractor bids. They aren't usually what they seem. More often than not, low bids are not bargains, deals, or opportunities, but instead are traps that lure you in with false promises and then hit you with hidden costs, poor quality, and endless delays while exposing you to unnecessary risks and consequences that can affect the quality, safety, cost, and satisfaction of your project. There's a reason it costs less.
Homeowners are often unaware of the corners that are cut to deliver the lowest price, corners that may lead to many problems before, during, and after the project. Many of the lowest bids lack the proper insurance or license to protect you from accidents, damages, or disputes. If something goes wrong, you could be liable for the costs or have no recourse. The use of inferior materials or techniques that compromise the quality and safety of your project often leave you with a shoddy, unsafe, or ugly result that requires frequent repairs or replacements. Most contracts won't offer any guarantee or assistance for the work after it's finished. If you encounter any problems or defects, you may have to pay for them yourself or hire another contractor to fix them. Firms that hire unqualified or inexperienced workers to save a buck lead to more mistakes, more delays, overlooking details, or violations of safety regulations, putting themselves as well as your family in danger. Many promise unrealistic deadlines that they cannot meet and may intentionally prolong your project to charge you more money or use bait-and-switch tactics to increase the bid after you sign the contract. The Better Business Bureau and Attorney General receive claims regularly of companies engaging in various fraudulent or illegal activities that can harm you financially, legally, emotionally, or physically. They may take your money and disappear, use counterfeit or reused materials, damage your property, overcharge you, falsify documents, breach your contract, violate your rights, or threaten you.
These are just some of the dangers of hiring the wrong contractor. These are risks you don't have to take. Don't let your dream project become your worst nightmare. You live here. You deserve the best your budget can deliver. This is luxury you can afford.